There's once where like...
Nah, okay, but like, have you ever recorded yourself like driving or anything? You don't know the distance.
No, like I'm recording it looking outwards.
Alright. Why don't you stick it outside looking inwards then? Do the opposite.
It's on the outside.
Yeah, outside looking inwards.
Yeah, but I'm right.
This one's nicked your car.
Is it? No, that's
the Dutch.
That's the
Oh,
Dutch.
okay. Just put it on and we'll test it until we get there. Then you can look at it, and then that way you can decide whether it's the right angle or.
Or should I just leave it like that?
Can you stick it on here?
Oh shit!
Stick it right there so you get a proper
in your face
truth
angle.
Or stick it down here so it's facing upwards.
I don't know. What? Yeah, you can move this about. What time are we on?
10:24.
We wasted half an hour. I don't know what I'm doing. I got confused.
No, just hold it in your hand.
Dude, there, man. That's all you have to do. Just
Yeah, pange na maar, hurry up.
It's too.
Stick it there.
I got it. Yeah, I thought it broke for a second. I'm like, no, that don't make sense either.
Turn it upside down.
Yeah.
And flip it. When you record it, just flip
it. Yeah.
Flip the thing. That's it.
There.
Yeah.
I don't know what the hell.
Look at the lens.
Oh, it's
clamp
not.
Clamp
It's
it.
clamping. I don't know how that's looking. I'm just gonna go outside and check.
Yeah, check. Now imagine this is your head, yeah? This is your head. Is that your head there? Oh, your head's there. That's your nose. Oh, okay. Right. Here, that's...
It's not, it's just because it's on photo mode.
Change the... Just record something, like 2 seconds. Hi, my name is Osman.
You know what I'm doing wrong?
What?
I'm being an idiot, that's why.
What?
Why don't I just take it off this? No, wait, that don't make sense, does it?
Why don't you put it directly onto there?
Why don't I just...
Instead of getting the twisty arm.
Why don't I just do that?
With this facing the wrong way.
No, I'm just so I can do the settings and turn it back.
Okay, and then turn it back.
I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm out of breath.
You ain't even set off.
This is stressful, man. Alright, let's. So it's there, wasn't it?
Yeah, a bit more this way. Like middle.
There, man.
Face it up a little bit, otherwise you're gonna look at your chest and my breast.
No, it's actually like, because it's not as close as yours.
Okay, alright. Is it recording?
Yeah, it's on.
I can see it.
Yeah, I think we're good. Alright, cool. I think that should be alright. Cool, let's do this.
So, wasted 3 minutes.
Did you get your prostate checked?
I did.